This week, Grant Guillotte takes Drones in America to the heart of the jazz scene, exploring how Zing is putting on a show in the Big Easy. The full force of Zing's drone delivery will be on display thanks to New Orleans' iconic Café du Monde. The team will be delivering a payload of beignets across the Mississippi in front of a potential investor.
We're not seeing much light.
The team has flown hundreds of practice missions, but when it matters, will they soar or struggle?
It's not going down. Yo, it's not going down.
Stay tuned to Market Scale and subscribe to Drones in America for an exclusive look inside the pastry-based drone delivery operation.